Hi everyone, this is a continuation of the previous lesson. So here I'll be running through the exercise 4 and 5 of the arithmetic progression. Now exercise 4, a clock strikes the number of times of the hour. How many times does a clock strikes in a day? Let's write out this progression. So every hour the clock strikes according to the hour, right? So the first hour will be 1, second hour will be 2, 3, and so on until 12. Then it will start from 1, 2, 3 again until 12. So that gives us a 24-hour clock strike. Now, in order to find the sum of these terms, right, what we can do is we can find out based on this information here. We know that A is 1. We know that D is also 1 because it's increases, the hour increases by 1 every time. And we also know that the last term here is L, which is 12. Basically what we have here is two sets of arithmetic progression, so we can break it into two like this, right? So we can just make use of this to derive the number of strikes. Then we times it with 2 because we have two sets. So we can use this formula since we know the A, the L, and the N as well, because N is 12, right? And then so we'll use this formula, N over 2 A plus L. Okay, and so as 12 equals to 12 over 2, A is 1 plus L is 12, so we have 6 times 13, and that gives us 78. Okay, so the number of clock strikes per day, okay, per day, this is only for 12 hours, right? Since this is from 1 to 12, so we need to times 2 to get for the 24 hours. So per day would be 2 times 78, which is 156. Okay. Let's take a look at the next exercise, the exercise 5. Cost of foundation of a building is 500,000. The cost of the first floor is 100,000 and the cost of subsequent floors increased by 20,000 from the one below it. Calculate the total cost of the building if it has 15 floors. Now we know that the total cost would be the cost of the foundation as well as the cost of the building. Okay, now cost of the foundation we already know is 500,000 here. What is the cost of the building then? Okay, the first floor, this is actually an arithmetic progression, so let's write it out first. The first floor we know that is 100,000, so it starts with 100,000. Okay. Okay, and so A is 100,000. Okay, and the cost of subsequent floors increased by 20,000. So D is 20,000. Okay, so from here we would want to find out the sum, okay, of 15 floors, right? So we can make use of this. We know that n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, because we have all this information. So S15 would equals 15 over 2, 2 times 100,000 plus n is 15 minus 1, d is 20,000. Okay, this gives us 15 over 2, 200,000 plus 14 times 20,000 and here we have the result is S15 is 3,600,000. Okay, now the total cost of the building then is would be 500,000 for the foundation plus 3,600,000 for the building itself, giving us a grand total of 4,100,000. So this is another typical question that can be asked in the exam.